It's worse than Hamilton in Monza.
I know that baby we've been here before, but I ain't gonna let you go. We're in this love together.
Why do I always spin in this last corner? This is the worst corner ever. After the quarantine, I'll be so down with the mental. All the self-confidence is gone. Lawnmower, I'm last. Vans, I'm last. Why are you laughing, mate?
Charles, you're pushing the entries, so I gain on the exit like crazy. Look at my exit, look at me come!
Mate, I just forgot to put the fucking gear up! I want to cry!
Oh, you said naughty word.
Yeah. And I put 7 liters of fuel and I don't understand how I cannot be winning this! You are all on 105 kilos of fuel! I thought I had the tips to win this fucking race and...
What position are you?
I'm P4. Alex, I can see you so focused. Your head in the van is the most fucking I've ever seen you in. Oh my god, you're taking the curb, the sausage curb and everything. Mate, I can hear your engine. It's like so much... It's worse than Hamilton in Monza. Leave me alone.